If something happened to you tomorrow, would anyone know where your will is? Or how to log into your business bank account? Or even what to do with your business and ongoing contracts and clients? That is where a death folder comes in. And it sounds dark, but trust me, it is one of the most loving and practical things that you can put together as a business owner. Hey there, I'm Paige Griffith, attorney and founder of The Legal Page. On this channel, I help entrepreneurs like you get legally legit without all the overwhelm. And today, I am going to give you a sneak peek into what belongs in your death folder, which is the essential plan for your family and your business if you were suddenly not here. Let's start out with what a death folder is. A death folder is your master guide for when you are no longer here. You want to think of it as your roadmap for your family and your business, all of your loved ones. It outlines your legal documents that you have, financial accounts, digital life, and your instructions for winding things up in your business. Without it, all of your loved ones are really left just piecing together everything in the middle of their grief process. But with a death folder, you give them peace of mind and clarity. So let's talk about the legal documents that absolutely need to be in your death folder. First thing is personal estate planning documents. So this is your will, trust, medical and financial powers of attorney, HIPAA releases. These documents are really the bedrock legal docs that show who inherits what, who makes decisions for what, and how you really want things to be handled with your personal affairs. So this is really just a list of savings, investments, retirement accounts, credit cards, insurance policies. You want to make sure that you list the accounts and then also how to access them in your death folder. And then business owners often miss this one, business documents. So your LLC operating agreement, where your client contracts are. If you can print them out, great. But if you have tens or hundreds of them, you probably want to list where those client contracts are in a CRM system or online contract sending platform, any outstanding invoices that you have, or where to find those in an online platform, and instructions for how you want your business wound up if you pass away. This is where you would leave directions for your wind up person, the most important person as a business owner. This is the person who steps in to close accounts, pay off debts, talk and notify past clients or existing clients, deal with all of your digital assets. And then, of course, you're going to give them passwords and digital account access to your personal accounts, but also do so for your business accounts. This is pretty common for business owners not to do, and then it's really, really difficult for your loved ones to get into your accounts and close anything down. So all of your email logins, website platforms, social media accounts, any of your business subscriptions, all of that is really important to list out in your death folder. A digital directive is so important here. You do not want your online life locked forever. So make sure that you have a digital directive signed and notarized if at all possible, and put that in that death folder. So where should this death folder actually live? You can keep a hard copy in a secure place like a locked filing cabinet or a safe. A lot of people do this. I kind of call it go find the blue folder, and you put a blue folder somewhere and you tell your designated person or your wind up person where that blue folder is. Then also, if possible, keep a digital copy in a secure password protected folder or vault system. And the key here is to make sure at least one trusted person knows where it is and how to access it when the time comes. I do suggest that you have at least two people knowing where this is just in case. And then anyone in your business that you do trust that works for you. Oftentimes employees, like a top employee, is a good person managing kind of status to tell them where the digital file is. Ultimately, for entrepreneurs, this isn't just about your personal estate anymore. It's about protecting your clients, your team, and your business as a whole, and your business's reputation. Because without clear instructions, your business could be left hanging in limbo. But with a death folder, you're spelling out exactly what happens, who steps in, and how to gracefully close things down. Now, what I've shared today is just the tip of the iceberg, and I have a very, very good free webinar where I go way more in depth on how to choose the right wind up person for your business and your personal affairs, the difference between wills and trusts, and which one may be right for you or both, what a true business wind up plan looks like, and why your LLC operating agreement plays such a big role in it. Plus, in the webinar, I'm going to give you access to my actual death folder template so that you can start building yours right away. So, if you want peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones and your business will be taken care of, please sign up for my free training. The link is below in the description because here's the truth: you can't control everything in life, but you can make sure that you leave things in order for the people who matter the most. Hopefully, this was helpful. If you did find it educational, I would love for you to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss future videos where I cover all kinds of basics, legally speaking, that protect your life and your business.